little kiddos. How are you all? Enjoying study at home? Yeah? Very good. Today we will learn about our 5 senses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 sense organs. Number 1. Eyes. Number 2. Nose. Number 3. Ears. Did you say something? And number 4. Tongue. And number 5. Skin. Ouch! Our skin covers the whole body. Our skin. So we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Very good. What do we do with our eyes? अपनी eyes से हम क्या करते हैं? We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. That is Krishiv. What do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. How do we smell? We smell with our nose. Very good. Now, ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Very good. And we taste with our tongue. Yummy. We taste with our tongue. Right? So, 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. And our skin helps us to feel. Okay? So, we learned about 5 senses today. अब हम 5 senses से related एक game खेलने वाले हैं. Okay? इस गेम के लिए हमें चाहिए एक ब्लाइंड फोल्ड जो आपकी मम्मा आपकी आईज पर बांध देंगी. Just like this. देखिए, मैंने अपनी आईज पे ये ब्लाइंड फोल्ड बांध लिया है. अब हमारे पास है एक बास्केट और इस बास्केट में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसे मैं टच करके, स्मेल करके या सुनकर बताने वाली हूँ कि वो क्या है. Wow, this is very soft. It is a puppy toy, right? The next one is this is a pen, right? Now, this is a rattle toy. And the next is, what is this? This is a ball. The next is a combing brush. अब आपकी मम्मा आपको भी ये ब्लाइंड फोल्ड बांधेंगी और इसी तरीके से आप भी गैस करेंगे कि इस बास्केट में क्या था, राइट? तो है ना इंटरेस्टिंग गेम? सभी ये गेम घर पे खेलेंगे और अपनी मैम को इसकी वीडियो सेंड करेंगे, राइट? ओके, बाय बाय फॉर नाउ. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लर्न अबाउट आवर 5 सेंसेस: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Right? Bye bye.